the benefits nutritional yeast has for your health. Nutritional yeast is one of the current most popular food products used for vegan cooking. However, some of its most popular health benefits are still unknown. Welcome to Tasty Food for You, and today we'll be talking to you about the health benefits nutritional yeast has for your health and some nice healthy recipes you can use it for to incorporate it into your diet. Stay until the end to find out the most shocking property of nutritional yeast. And now that you're here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on for more fantastic content like today. Health benefits. Nutritional yeast is the same type of yeast that's used to bake bread and brew beer, grown to be used as a food product. There are two main types of nutritional yeast, unfortified and fortified yeast. Let's take a quick look at each of these. Unfortified yeast doesn't contain added vitamins or minerals, only the ones naturally produced by the yeast cells. Fortified yeast includes synthetic vitamins added in the middle of the manufacturing process to increase nutrient content. If vitamins have been included into the yeast, they will be added in the ingredients list. Now, let's look at the health benefits of it. Nutritional yeast is a fantastic source of protein, B vitamins, and trace minerals. Of course, the fortified variant contains more B vitamins than unfortified varieties, as additional amounts are included during manufacturing. Nutritional yeast contains all 9 essential amino acids that humans must get from food, with 1 tablespoon containing 2 grams of protein. That's why vegans love nutritional yeast. It's an easy way for them to add quality protein to their meals. It also contains minerals such as zinc, selenium, manganese, and molybdenum, used in gene regulation, growth, developing the immune system, and boosting your metabolism. If you're a vegan who's looking to increase their protein intake, then try consuming nutritional yeast during your weekly diet. Using nutritional yeast can be an efficient way to prevent vitamin B12 deficiency while on a vegan diet. One study, including 49 vegans, found that consuming 1 tablespoon of fortified nutritional yeast daily restored vitamin B12 levels in those who were deficient. It also helps prevent free radicals, as it contains powerful antioxidants such as glutathione and selenium. These protect your cells from damage due to oxidation and helps your body eliminate environmental toxins. It can also lower cholesterol, thanks to the beta-glucan found in nutritional yeast. So with all of these benefits, you can feel free to add nutritional yeast to a vegan or a non-vegan diet, where you'd like to increase your weekly protein intake and decrease the chance for protein deficiency. Nutritional yeast lasts up to 2 years when properly stored and should be kept in a cool, dark place to preserve its vitamins. Let's take a look at some quick and easy recipes where you can add nutritional yeast. We'd advise you to serve around 1 or 2 tablespoons, since nutritional yeast is safe to use in moderation. Recipes. If you're a fan of pasta, such as spaghetti, you can sprinkle 1 or 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast and increase your protein levels while also getting a dose of carbs from the pasta. You can use it when making your own pasta sauce, or any other kind of sauce for that matter. Add a tablespoon when making pomodoro, or even a cream, and mix it all in. Once you pour the sauce on whatever you want to eat it with, maybe a salad, you'll find out for yourself how delicious it tastes. You can even sprinkle it over popcorn when it's, well, popping in the frying pan. You can also add it to soups when they're boiling to add extra flavor and protein to it. Vegan sauces, such as the cashew cream sauce, greatly benefit from nutritional yeast. The cashew cream sauce is made from blended cashews, and it works as a stand-in for vegan sour cream or mayonnaise. When making pesto, you can use it as a substitute for cheese. Traditional basil pesto has a bit of Parmesan cheese to give it that signature savory flavor, but instead, you can use nutritional yeast when mixing the sauce to create a healthy, tasty, and easy-to-make cheese substitute. So, were you expecting nutritional yeast to be this good at providing health benefits? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to leave us a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more great content like today. We hope you enjoyed our video, and we'll see you next time.